come on. Heating effects of electric current. First one, list of different electrical components, electrical appliances, and their uses. Use of light. Used for light. Used for heat. Next one, used for moving. Next one, used for communication. Used for communication. Okay. First one. Serial number first one, lamp. Lamp. Iron bars used for heat. Iron bars used for movement. Lift and the cell phone. Okay. Tube light. Tube light is hard plate used for movement, escalator and computer. Next one, tube light. It is heat used for heater. Hot plate, escalator, the computer. Third one, table lamp. Table lamp, rice cooker, next one, fan, cassette player, okay. Fourth one, floodlight, oven, pump, data card. So these are the heating effects of electric current. List our different electrical applications and their uses. Okay. Next one, tube light and compact fluorescent lamps, CFLS. To minimize the wastage of electricity can be reduced by using fluorescent tube light place of in a place of bulbs. Okay, to minimize the waste of electric current, we use tube light in place of electric bulbs or CFLS bulbs. Wastage of electricity. Wastage of electricity can be reduced by using fluorescent tube light. In place of bulbs. As shown in the figure. Once see page number 69. Once here tube light and CFL bulbs. Okay. Next one, electric fuse. So what is the use of electric fuse? Okay. Electric fuse is a safety device in electric circuit. Electric fuse. Electric fuse. It is a safety device in electric circuit. When excess electric current flows through a circuit, the wire or applicants may get heated and can catch fire. To avoid fire, a safety device known as a fuse is connected in series in the circuit. A fuse is a small piece of wire. It is made up of specially that gets heated quickly and melts. The current in a circuit is too high. The fuse wire gets hot and melts. This leaves a gap in the circuit. Automatically, the circuit is broken, and the flow of electricity will be stopped. This prevents the applicants from getting burned due to the passage of too large to them. Okay, electric fuse is a safety device. Okay. Electric fuse. Electric fuse is a safety device. Safety device. Safety device in electric circuit. Electric circuit. Okay. Now see the diagram of the fuse. It is the fuse. Okay. Next one, MCB means miniature circuit breaker. What is the advantage of MCB? Miniature breaker circuit. Breaker MCB. Miniature circuit breaker. Once observe this video.
A miniature circuit breaker or MCB is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or short circuit. Its basic function is to interrupt current flow after a fault is detected. The disadvantage of all fuses is that when they have operated, they must be replaced. A MCB overcomes this problem since it is an automatic switch which opens in the event of an excessive current flowing in the circuit and can be closed when the circuit returns to normal. Advantages of MCB: they have factory set operating characteristics, tripping characteristics, and therefore circuit protection is set by the installer. The circuit protection is difficult to interface with. The circuit is provided with discrimination. A faulty circuit may be quickly identified. A faulty circuit may be easily and quickly restored. The supply may be safely restored by an unskilled operator. Disadvantages of MCB: they are relatively expensive, but look at the advantage to see why they are so popular these days. They contain mechanical moving parts and therefore require regular testing to ensure satisfactory operation under fault conditions.
Okay, it is the advantage and uses of MCB. Okay, next one. Here one problem is given, that is, suppose in a house there are 4 volts of, first bulb is 100 volts, each 6 of 60 watts each and 6 of 40 watts each. All of them are used for the 2 hours a day. How many units of electricity will be used for 30 days? How much will they have pay at okay? Will they pay? They will. How much will they have to pay at 2 rupees and 80 paise per unit? Okay, here 100 watts. How many volts are there? 100 watts equal to 4 volts. Total power equal to, page number 70, page number 70. I will write question number. Suppose in a house there are 4 bulbs of 100 watts, 100 each, 6 of 60 volt each, and 6 of 40 volts each. Okay, all of them are used for 2 hours a day. All of them are used for 2 hours. Used for 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day. How many units of electricity? How many units of electricity will be used up in 30 days? How much they will pay? How much will they have to pay. They have to pay at Rs 2.880. I say per unit. It is the given question. It is the given question. Okay, I will read what is the given data. So what is the given data now? Total current equal here. What is the total current here? Total power used. Total power used equal to 100 watts 100 into 400 watts plus next 60 watts bulb 6 into 60 watts. Next one 40 watts 6 bulb 6 into 40 watts, that equal to 400 watts plus 3600 360 watts plus here 240 watts. How much here? 400 plus 400 plus 1000. Total 1000 watts. That equal to 1000 watts. We can write here 1 kilowatt. That equal to 1 kilowatt. Total power used every day. How many hours here? 2 hours. Total power used every day, that equal to how much? 2 hours into 1 kilowatt hour, that equal to 2 kilowatt hour. Okay, 30 days power used, 30 days 30 days power used, that equal to how much here? 30 into 2 kilowatt hour, that equal to 30 into 2 kilowatt hour, that equal to 60 kilowatt hour. Okay, now cost of the power equal to how much here? For 1 unit, that equal to 2.80 paise. Now cost of the total power equal to here, cost equal to cost of the power equal to how much here? 60 into 2.80, that equal to how much here? 168 rupees. 168 rupees. It is the cost of the power. How much Rs? That equal to 168 rupees. Okay. It is about to at the same time 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watts. Okay, 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 unit. Okay, I will write here 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 unit. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 unit. Okay, at the same time 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watts. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1000 watts. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1 unit. 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watts. Okay, it is about electricity. Okay, now I will write the keywords from the electricity. Keywords from this lesson. Keywords. First one, cell is a source of electrical energy. Electric cell is a source of electric energy. Electric energy. Next one, the two terminals of an electric cell are an electric cell are called positive terminal and negative terminal. Negative terminal. Dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Third one, dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy. Two or more cells join together form battery. Two or more cells join together form a battery. The battery cells in the torchlight are kept in series. The battery cells in the torchlight are kept in series. Kept in series. Okay, listen once again. Electric cell is a source of electric energy. The two terminals of electric cell are, one is positive and negative. Dry cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Two or more cells join together form a battery. The battery cells in the torchlight are kept in series. Sixth one. An electric bulb as a filament that is connected to its terminals. An electric bulb An electric bulb glows when electric current passes through it. When electric current passes through it, next, switch is a single device. With one switch is a single device. Single device that is used either break the electric current or complete the circuit. Either break the electric circuit or to complete it. The safety device used in electric current is fuse 1 kilowatt hour equal to 1000 watts. Next one, the wastage of electricity can be reduced by using FLS tubes, fluorescent tube light in place of bulbs. Okay, these are the keywords from this lesson. Okay, now question and answer summa. First one, draw the symbol of the following electric components. Electric components. First one is cell. Next one is battery. Third one is switch, and the fourth one is electric bulb. Electric bulb. First one, cell. Cell symbol. It will be cell symbol. Okay. Next, battery. Battery means the combination of the more than one cells. That is called battery. So positive is connected with the negative, and the negative is connected with the positive. Positive, negative. It is a battery. Now switch. So switch is a device which is used to open or close the electric circuit. Switch is a device which is used to open or close the electric circuit. It is a closed switch. Next one, open switch. It is a open switch. Next one, second one, draw an empty circuit consisting of cell, bulb, and electric switch. Next one is electric circuit diagram. So circuits here we have two types: open electric circuit and closed electric circuit. The switch is open. That is called open electric circuit, and if the switch is closed, that is called closed switch. Sorry, closed electric circuit. Electric circuit. So there are two diagrams: open electric circuit and closed electric circuit. It is a bulb. It is a cell. It is a switch. Here, switch is closed. Now the bulb is glowing. It is a closed electric circuit. Switch. It is a cell. It is a bulb. It is closed circuit. Is a closed circuit. Now it is bulb, positive negative. Switch is open. It is a cell. Open electric circuit. Open electric circuit. Open electric circuit. These are the two diagrams. Okay. Remaining questions tomorrow I will explain.